Hi there, Naz from Motion. Today we're here to talk about innovation and how Motion works with our customers to bring new innovations and new developments to their plant and equipment to help drive efficiency. Because often we hear our customers tell us that what's happening in the market, we want to be at the latest cutting edge of innovation. So one of the options that Motion has available is we understand that chain drives can be quite inefficient from a plant and maintenance perspective, and when you're working with chain drives, they need constant lubrication, they need constant inspection, they need retensioning, and they can wear quite regularly. If it's in a food processing environment or whether it's also in a clean environment, that lubrication, the wear, that can often contaminate your food, it can contaminate your product or lead to product losses over time and process. So Motion, we're partnered with Gates and we work with the polychain product, the GT carbon product, to convert a chain drive to a timing belt drive. Some of the advantages that you see with a timing belt drive and the polychain GT carbon product is that it's up to 93 through to 99% efficient, well above what you would see from a chain drive. And then this product, it doesn't require lubrication, it doesn't require any retensioning. Wear is minimal. It also works in a washdown environment, whereas chain really doesn't like moisture. Chain can seize after washdown without constant relubrication, so you can wash down the polychain product. The polychain product works well in an abrasive environment. The polychain product also comes in a polychain vault, which is used in hazardous locations, particularly where there's risk of static. If you'd like to learn more about improving your plant's efficiency, work with Motion. We can redesign your chain drives. We can replace them with a polychain drive to handle a various range of torque applications, high power, high kilowatt applications to really drive efficiency for your plant and equipment. So give us a call today or check us out on motion.com.au.